guys, it is me, Michael from J Gaming, and JP is here with me today. We're going to be showing you this cool car. So I'm going to zoom up. Oh, that was a little bit too close. And then about too close again. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, let's get started. So JP is going to be showing you. Yeah. So he's driving backwards. Woo! I thought I was gonna drive through my legs. Oh, I'm gonna go see if that. No, don't drive it forwards, really. You can see the back of JP's head. Uh-oh.
Did it down the stairs?
No, it did. JP, don't do that. You can, whatever. You just can't get up by itself. You're gonna have to pick it up. It did it! Nice. So guys, I'm going to be picking it.
I'll drive it up.
It doesn't
Whatever, I can't drive on
that well. Can, but not that well.
It can waste the battery. It's a very bad waste of time, right?
Yeah. So the good thing about this car is I think it has an hour of charge, and I think it has like an hour of play. Like other cars have 4 hours of charge and 5 minutes of playtime. So
Why? Because it runs better.
no, this thing like goes really fast, and they actually go not that fast too.
So it's more expensive. So it's like a cheap but expensive.
Yeah. So don't ride it down those stairs again. That'd just be a waste of time.
Dude, let's do the race car challenge.
What do you mean?
So we put it up here. Okay? And we gotta race into the net. Ha-ha!
That's cool. You moved the net? How would you? Whoa! Don't drive it down the hill.
This is a horrible car.
What do you mean?
Just kidding.
That's amazing. Oh my! That was awesome. It just made it down from here to there. See that big stick? Uh-oh.
All right. Referee. Safe.
Ooh.
Ow.
Oh, sorry about that finger.
Okay. I put all frequency buttons on.
Whoa. Maybe it drives on grass like that then.
Oh yeah, probably. Hold on, let's test it.
Yeah.
Like, this would be a good prank. Like, imagine if you. Oh yeah, it does. Oh no.
No, drive down. Oh, it does. But it's a waste of battery, so don't really. I think it's about to die soon. Hopefully not.
Yeah, but like, it would be good at a tennis court.
Perfect. Yeah, that would be actually a great idea.
There's like no bumps. It's smooth ground.
Yeah, it's like
And you can like do your own stunts on it. Like, you could like
because it's wide.
yeah, it's wide.
The only thing you have to worry about is the poles for the net, which aren't that actually that worrying.
But this car is a bumper, so you should be okay.
I crash a lot. JP, crash it for an example. Just crash it. See that? He's like driving into the wall. And then, see this? Wait. So guys, now I'm gonna just bring it into seat. JP, keep it like that. Oh, sorry about my finger. And now, JP, see this? No scratches. But all the bumper takes the scratches. And the back kind of has some scratches because it doesn't have much. So guys, it doesn't have a bumper, much protection. Hey, Grandma. Hi. But try to get it through my legs. Uh-oh.
Referee, not safe.
Through my legs. Woo! Woo! Man, you're actually pretty good at driving. So, guys, JP, can you just hold this for a sec?
Yes,
Hold the camera for a sec?
sure. Okay. So let's take a closer look at this car. So it looks pretty good. But so see those bumpers? They have all the scratches. Here's
I'm not a good role model.
the remote.
No, yeah. I don't have enough crazy
So yeah. You're like,
Can you film me now?
hold on. Oh,
Oh, sorry. We dropped the iPad.
I'm sorry, guys.
That's okay.
No scratches or anything. No harm done.
Yeah, because I have a really good protection case. Alright, JP, now
Okay.
show them its full speed. Like,
Okay.
it doesn't have its full battery in right now because I used it a lot. But, oh, stinkies. Sorry about my finger. Oh, there you go. Right, just go fast, but not. It could probably go like 40. I'll just tell you, like 40. Like the least, like one of these cars could go is 30 miles per hour. This one probably goes like 40 or 50, which is really great. Oh, JP.
Come on, dude. I'm trying to do it. I doubt it's gonna break.
JP, don't do it down there.
I bet
Look how big that is, dude. I'm not taking a bet for $5. Probably not, but I'm just going.
$20.
No, I'm not risking it.
Alright, 60. As much as the car costs. So you
No.
can buy another one.
You're not gonna even. Your mom's not gonna allow it. Anyway. Woo! How about we don't ride it near here? Cars not allowed.
Okay.
Anyway,
I will
car blocker. DP's gonna drive a car, and he might bring his to my house, and then he'll see with his car. Because I'm not taking the risk with my car. I just don't want to. Like, we could drive it downstairs, because it's like, woo! Oh, that's awesome.
That's epic.
Anyway, JP, so now could you make a video of, like, film me doing it? Just hold the iPad. Try not to show me. Anyway, like, you can see the back of
Whoa! Oh!
Look how fast that goes. Whoa! Sorry, Mila.
Ah! That's fast.
It is fast. This is faster than you and me. Maybe even combined.
I know, we're pretty fast.
It's not going to be that fast on the video, but in real life, wow, that's fast.
Ah!
Wow! Uh-oh.
Okay, I'll time you guys.
Mila,
I have a watch on right now. I'll see how long it takes to get around this table. 3. Seconds.
oh.
But in Mississippi, so that's like 6 seconds.
Yeah.
6 seconds.
Now let me try.
You try what?
Running around.
Okay. So, but who's gonna hold this?
You do.
Okay, but
Count.
why don't we
2.
let's use a stand.
No, it's DP. Don't do that.
Why?
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, but
3,
like,
2, 1.
who's gonna control it? Okay. Who's gonna control
Wow,
it?
I got just 3 Mississippi, and then 4. So wow. And I actually can run faster, and this thing can run faster. Because I was just jogging, but this thing can run faster. Look how fast this is. And it's not even fully charged. Oh!
Oh, did you see that?
Yes, I did. Well, luckily we got that on camera. Oh! Oh, God.
You thought you knew about cars. You don't. Okay.
Oh!
Hi, little car. Come on, Mike. I have an idea. Yeah, that'd be cool.
What?
Hey, little car. Do that. Ow. You hurt my elbow.
Oh, no. Show me your fingers.
Aww.
Where did the car go?
Hold on, Mike. Let's see how fast if I could beat that car. Let's see if I could beat it.
But no, I'm gonna just type it again. I'm gonna type it out. 1, 2, 4 Mississippi. Now let's see you.
Okay, we're Mississippi.
3, 2, 1, go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. JP, it went around the fire pit.
Oh, so should
You
I do
didn't.
that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway. 1
Oh.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5. 4 Mississippi, and then 5 because you started there, not there.
Oh! Can I try one more time?
Okay. Oh, sorry for putting that camera down. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5.
What?
You still can't beat it. And the last was 3 Mississippi.
I was jogging.
Anyway, let me go. Let me see. I'm gonna take my top off. 3, 2, 1, go.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi.
No, that was 4 Mississippi.
Nope, 5.
Okay, let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go. 1 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi.
5.
Man, that thing's fast.
Okay, can I try driving it now? I haven't done it in a long time.
Wait, I want to see if it's running faster. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi. Oh, you know why it was 5 Mississippi this time, guys?
Why?
Because it went all the way to there and it almost went over. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi.
Okay, bye, guys.
Alright, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry about the wind. And thank you for watching this video. Please help this channel grow. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Send it.